NEET exam question paper, we have to go through the questions. What the question says, according to molecular orbit theory, you know it, you would have studied it. According to molecular orbit theory, the four options are given. Which one is correct, you have to select it. The first option is O2 plus, the comparing O2 plus and O2. O2 plus is paramagnetic and bond order greater than O2. Second one is the O2 plus is paramagnetic and bond order is less than O2. The third one is O2 plus is diamagnetic and bond order is less than O2. And the fourth one is O2 plus is diamagnetic and bond order is more than or greater than O2. Which one is correct, we have to calculate it. Now we have to find, if you want find the answer, the orbit theory for O2 and O, we have to make it. The first one is 1s2, the second one is 1s star, the third one is 2s2 sigma 2s, the fourth one is sigma star 2s, the fifth one is 2p z, sigma 2p z. The sixth one is pi 2p x pi 2p y. The seventh one is pi star 2p x pi star 2p y. The eighth one is sigma star 2p z. Okay, this one is for O2. This one is for O2. The another one is for O2 plus, we have to write it. The O2 plus, first one is sigma 1s, the second one is sigma 1s star, the third one is sigma 2s, the fourth one is sigma 2s star, the fifth one is sigma 2p z, then the sixth one is pi 2p x pi 2p y, then this one is pi star 2p x pi star 2p y, this one is 2p z. This one is for O2. Now you have to complete the electrons. For O2, the electron is 16 electrons, here 15, because O2 plus is only 15. 2 2 2 2, then 2, then 2 2 2 4 6 8 10 12 14, this one is 15 and 16. Okay, single 16. Here 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2, this one also 2 2. Here 2 4 6 2 4 6 8 10 10. Here 2, here 2 14 and 1 is 15. Now 1s sigma 1s and star cancelled. This also 2s star cancelled. This also. Now remaining is 2 4 6 2 4 6. The bonding order is 1, the formula is 1 by 2, 6 electrons. Anti bonding is 1, here 1. So the answer is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5. Okay, now here we have to look at these two, 1s and 1s star cancelled, 2s and 2s star cancelled, 2 4 6 6 2 4 6 4 6 4 6. Bonding is 1 by 2 6. Anti-bonding is here 2, sorry. Then 4 by 2. Here the answer is 2. So action has a two bonds. Okay. Now 6 minus 1, then 5 by 2, that is 2.5. So from that we can, these are here single bonds are there, here single bonds are there. So this one is also para, this one is also para. So the first answer is para. First answer is paramagnetic, not diamagnetic. Both are wrong. Then paramagnetic is O2 plus is greater than. So O2 plus is 2.5. O2 is 2. So O2 plus is greater than O2. Okay. Now the bonding order. The O2 plus is paramagnetic and the bonding order is greater than O2. This is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you.